fried chicken and waffles. Chicken and waffles. This is so yummy. I love the concept of fried chicken with waffles, and it's looks incredible. And it's with buttermilk, butterrich waffles, and with butterrich syrup, and these incredible, great value Pillsbury Doughboy flaky biscuits, very yummy and very delicious butter biscuits with, I cannot believe it's not butter, with olive oil and oatmeal, oat milk, yeah, oat milk, and got this incredible honeycomb ice cream, French ice cream, very yummy, and rice pudding and peanut butter ice cream. Fried chicken with buttermilk waffles. And butter-rich syrup. And these incredibly buttered biscuits with, I cannot believe it's not butter. Potato salad, coleslaw, peanut butter chocolate cake with these incredible peanut butter chip and chocolate chip, mini peanut butter chip and mini chocolate chip. Very, very delicious. This is rice pudding and honeycomb French ice cream. Honeycomb French ice cream, rice pudding, cinnamon, and club soda, and ice sparkling water, sparkling juice, sparkling water. This flavor is black raspberry. Oat milk. Yummy and delicious. Nantouss Faves. Nancy Toussaint's favorite picks. Nancy Toussaint's favorite eats. Fried chicken and waffles. Salut. Salut tout le monde. Hello everyone. Welcome to Nantouss Faves, Nancy Toussaint favorite picks and Nancy Toussaint's favorite eats. And we have here fried chicken and waffles. Chicken and waffles, fried chicken and waffles. It's a classic fave. You hear about it all the time how great and good it is. So I'm eating right here fried chicken with waffles, and I love it. It's like pancakes. Lots of syrup, and just what an incredible combination. It is absolutely yummy and delicious. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. The waffle is so delicious. Really good waffle. I love waffles. It's just buttermilk waffles. With this incredible syrup, buttermilk. It's butter rich syrup. Buttermilk waffles, butter rich syrup. Yummy, delicious. These incredible biscuits. Really good. Incredible taste. Tastes amazing. Flaky layers. Very good. It's ice, sparkling juice, black raspberry. Club soda, Polar Bear club soda. I love potato salad. Just like these incredible devil egg potato salad. Get them at Walmart. And classic home style coleslaw. Rice pudding. I love the cinnamon layer on top, the sprinkle cinnamon on top of the rice pudding. The rice pudding is very delicious. Has a light sweetness taste to it in a very good way. It's very creamy, and you can taste the actual rice. It's nicely, softly cooked rice. It's milky. It's really good. And it's not sticky at all. It's just beautiful flavor of taste and very nice. And this honeycomb French ice cream, very sweet. You can taste the honey, and this it's very sweet, sweetness taste to it. Vanilla, tastes like vanilla. The honey and all the layers, all the elements of flavors, and all the ingredients come together so well. Honeycomb ice cream. Love this very much. Sweet honey goodness. And this incredibly amazing, the sparkling ice drinks are all zero sugar, sugar free. And this incredible peanut butter chocolate cake. It's so, like, so good. Peanut butter chocolate cake. Peanut butter icing, frosting with fudge. It tastes just like peanut butter. And the combination of the peanut butter and the chocolate is so incredible. The peanut butter flavor overpowers the chocolate flavor. Yummy. Oh. All the flavors come together. You can taste the chocolate. You can taste the peanut butter. It's just the chocolate fudge. It is heavenly, incredible. Oh, milk. I love club soda. Sparkling ice. Kiwi strawberry. Nantouss Faves. Thank you for watching. Nancy Toussaint's favorite picks. Nancy Toussaint. Favorite eats. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Je vous aime. Je t'aime. Pour toujours. Always. Je vous aime. Je t'aime.